Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
Ay, Sharon. Ayun pala si Angela. Sharon. Anuin mo na, Tom. Hindi pa man kasi ito naglalandi si Sharon. Ang cute ng boses ni Tom, no? Ang liit. Oh, sige. Si Alena naman. Ay, ang pangtamis ni Tom. Tingnan mo, Jo. Ay, no. Ay, ba? Tingnan yung bibig. Oh. Gumaganon. Labas nga lang eh.